Hello, my Baldwin sisters. My name is Alissa Liu, and I'm very honored to serve you as the head of Arts League this year. I'm here to share with you a little bit about how this school's education empowered me to become the senior standing in front of you today. I joined this family as a clueless freshman seedling, very lost and confused because every person has told me that I don't have a future as an artist. Growing up, I was surrounded by general stigma that visual thinkers, especially visual artists, cannot thrive in this society, that visual thinkers are only able to become good drawers and nothing else. I heard jokes such as females can only pursue art only if they marry rich businessmen. It was as if the elements that made me were the weights hindering my growth. But being a part of an institution where girls are celebrated to become leaders, speak their minds, and live up to their differences made me realize that my potential can only be as great as I allow it to become. My wonderful art teachers taught me how to improve not only as an artist, but as a sculptor, an engineer, a thinker, and whatever crazy idea I have, they're here for it, as long as I clean up. And my academic teachers let me know that I could explore my visual thinking to put them in different areas of either it's writing a paper or implementing in a project. And most importantly, it's my sisters that always taught me that no one would tell me no. And you guys will always tell me, why not? And I'm here today because this community gave me the incentive to continuously challenge, try, and discover how I can translate my creative vision into reality through leadership. As a now proud visual thinker, I would like to describe how the all-female education at Baldwin shaped me to become a leader and a teammate through something more creative. I see that every human on this earth holds within them a seed of self-growth. The higher they grow, the more you see and discover. However, no plant can reach up alone, as no one can embark their individual journeys without the support of others. Unfortunately, some plants are slowed or stopped from their journeys because they're taught that there's a limit to their visions. As students of this all-female school, we are nourished with knowledge, guided by teachers, and strengthened with visions that we can intertwine our roots and lend our branches to support other sprouts' growth as well. So to the little seedlings, the strengthened young trees, and every mind in between, the sky is the limit, but I say no. We know that the sky is certainly not the limit, and universe of knowledge awaits. Thank you.